Hello friends, it's Oishi Mukherjee. Hope you all can recognize me by seeing my name. Today I am here with not with a song but with a presentation. So please enjoy the video and let's get started. Today our topic is Durga Puja. May Ma Durga bless you with joy and peace. Today and always, Happy Durga Puja. Durga Puja is one of the Hindu festivals of India which is celebrated massively all over India. We celebrate Durga Puja in autumn. We worship goddess Durga who killed Mahishasura, symbolizing the victory over evil. Goddess Durga is worshipped for 3 days, and on the fourth day we immerse her in the rivers. More on this puja. Durga Puja is mainly celebrated for 5 days, but as Shashti is a working day, we celebrate the rest 4 days, including the last day. These days are Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and Dashami. Each day has its own significance. On Shashti, Goddess Durga's rest after visiting to Marta with the family is known as Adhivasa is celebrated. It is said that Goddess Durga rests under a tree named as Bel. The puja of Goddess Shashti is also celebrated who rides on cat or whose vahana is a cat. Goddess Durga visits Marta with Lord Ganesh who rides on a mouse named Mushakraj, Goddess Lakshmi who rides on an owl, Lord Kartik who rides on a peacock, and Goddess Saraswati who rides on a duck. Different pandals celebrate with different structures and themes. The Saptami. After the day of Shashti comes the day of Saptami. It is famous for the bathing of Kalavahu, the wife of Lord Ganesh, which is also known as Kalavahu Snan. In this day, a piece of banana tree or many more trees is wrapped into an Indian red and white sari and bathed in a sacred river and then placed beside Lord Ganesh. She is then said to be Lord Ganesh's wife. Almost in every pandals after the day of Saptami till Dashami, Kalavahu is kept beside Lord Ganesh. This ritual almost starts from the end of the dawn and beginning of the morning. The Ashtami. Now comes the day of Ashtami after Saptami. This day is famous for giving Anjali to Goddess Durga, that is worshipping to Goddess Durga by flowers, and so is also known as Pushpanjali, as Pushpa means flowers. This day is a veg day. Kumari Puja and Sandhi Puja are also a part of Ashtami along with the Pushpanjali. Kumari Puja is the puja of the little girl child, and the Kumari Puja also has a mythological story behind it. In some pandals, Kumari Puja is celebrated and some celebrate at their house by inviting one or more girls and believing them as the goddess. The Sandhi Puja is the puja during the time when the Ashtami and Navami meet, that is, when Ashtami comes to an end and Navami starts. The meeting of these two times is known as Sandhi, and so Sandhi Puja. Different years have different time of Sandhi Puja. This moment is also considered as divine because it is believed that Goddess Durga stays at Martavasi with blessings. As Goddess Durga has 108 different forms or avatars, 108 diyas are lighted. After Mahashtami, the next day is Navami. It is a really sad day for the Hindus as Goddess Durga will again go back to Kailash or Shivalaya – where Lord Shiva is believed to live with Parvati or Durga on Dashami. All the Hindus become really sad as they will have to immerse Goddess Durga in a sacred river. But Goddess is immortal. If we immerse her idol, she will always be there in our heart. And with this belief, we celebrate Durga Puja every year by believing that Goddess Durga comes every year in Marta with her four children, Lakshmi, Ganesh, Saraswati and Kartik. And it is also believed that Goddess Durga comes in Marta almost in every month in different forms or avatars to save the Martavasi from different dangers. The end of the puja, the Dashami. The last day of Durga Puja is the Dashami. Dhunachi dance, Sindur Khela, offering sweets to goddess and her children and their sharing with each other and Kolakuli are the very interesting things during and after Dashami. Usually the married and sometimes the unmarried girls offer sweet and sindoor, a red powder that the married women wear on their head to goddess and her children and wish to have a really safe and happy returns of this puja every year. When goddess and her children's idols are immersed, actually after that Kolakuli, wishing Subha Vijaya, sharing and having sweets and touching the feet of the elders by the young are done. In this way, Durga Puja is celebrated during these 5 days, and every year we wish for a great, safe and happy returns of this puja. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. A presentation by Oishi Mukherjee.